All right, now we are going to use that same cylinder from our last example, and we're going to calculate the volume of it. So remember that when we're talking about the volume of a cylinder, all that we need to calculate is the area of the base times our height. So in this case, we are going to be looking at the area of a circle, that's our base, which is pi r squared, times our height. So here's the formula that we're going to be using today to calculate the volume. So just like we did with surface area, we're given the radius, we're given the height. At this point, all we need to do is plug those into our volume formula. So volume equals pi, our radius is 3 squared, times our height, which is 9. Remember that if you're using a calculator, you're welcome to use the pi button, or you can use 3.14 as pi. So we've got 3.14 times 3 squared is 9, times 9 again is our height. When we multiply this out, we're going to find that our volume is 254.34 inches. Now, let's pay attention to something here. When we are looking at volume, up until this point, all of our values have been squared. But we need to remember that volume is a three-dimensional formula. So when we're looking at 3 dimensions, that means that this cylinder and the volume of this cylinder is 3 dimensions. So it's not just talking about length times width. We're talking about the entire volume, 3 dimensions, which means that our volume answers will always be cubed. Our volume answers will always be cubed. So our volume of this cylinder would be 254.34 inches cubed.